So the first step to start with the workshop number 15, you have to go to File, Open, and select the same file that you work in the workshop number 12. Then you go to Analysis and select Entire Model, and this window is gonna appear. The next step, you gotta check that the job name is the same name that appears here. And then you have to go to Solution Type and check that the linear static solution type is selected, and then the solution sequence, it has to be 101. Then you click OK. Then you have to click again in Solution Type, click Solution Parameters, then select Results Output Format, and you have to click on XDB, and you have to click XDB and print. You click OK, and then click OK again. Then you click OK, and you go to Subcases, and you're going to see if the default in this case is selected. If it is selected, you only click Cancel and then hit Apply. And with this message, you only click Yes, and this window is going to come up, and it's going to close automatically. The next step is you're going to minimize the pattern screen and select Nastran, and you're going to go to the folder where it's you select here and select the PDF file, and you click Run. And there you're going to see, that when you run the Nastran and you run this file, the PDF file, other files are going to be created, and then you return to Patran. This workshop presents an error, so you can't go with the next step. So what I'm gonna do is explain what you're supposed to do in the PDF of the workshop. So you have to click Analysis, and in Access Results, and attach. You have to put the options Access Results, Attach XDB, Result Entities, and then click and select Results File that is here, and you select Anchor, and then click Apply. OK, and then Apply. The next one is you go to Results, and in Create Deformation, you select SEC1 Default in the Result Cases part, and then you select Displacement Translational, that is this option, then click Apply. The next one is in Display Attributes. You select Wireframe, that is this option here. You select Wireframe, and then you select Show on the Form, that is this little box in here. Then you click in the plot erase icon that we use in the past two workshops, and then you click Erase, in geometry, you click OK, and in the other window you hit apply. In results, you select create fringe. You select A1 static subcase and select stress tensor. Then you select von Mises under the quantity select. There is this option here. Then you hit display attributes icon. That is this one over here. These 5 icons. Then select element edges in display. Then you hit apply. Then you hit in target entities. You hit target entities icon and you hit elements for target entity. You select elements in the shape, that is this part over here. Then you hit apply. Then you select view corner, that is this icon over here that we used in the past workshop. You select this region over here, and then you use your mouse to rotate xj to see the stress. Then in ISO 3 view, you hit it, is this one over here, and then you select fit view. Then again in results, you select create and fringe. Then you go to plot options icon. Then you hit none for domain. You select derive average for method. You select shape FN for intra element. Then you select target entities icon to current viewport, and then you select apply. Again in create fringe, you select plot options, select all entities in domain. Select for method, you select average, and you select average for extrapolation, and then you hit apply. Then you go to file, and in the last option it says quit, and that's it for this workshop.